Hey, if you have muffled or hissing sound issue on your Samsung Galaxy Buds 3, let me show you how we can try to fix this. So of course we have to be connected with our Galaxy wearable application, and I can highly recommend you to scroll all the way down, select for the earbud settings, and then simply try to perform the reset and bring back all the default settings. So click on this reset button, and now you will have to just wait until the reset will be complete, so it takes just a few seconds. Then you can pair them one more time with your device, so click and hold this pairing button, which is located at the bottom of the case, of course with the both earbuds inside and with the case opened. Then connect them one more time into the Galaxy wearable application. There we go. Select them from available devices list, accept the pairing, and now we can tell me if it works. I was reading on the Reddit that sometimes this appears, this kind of the issue, and I was also reading that the reset actually helps. So try to do this and tell me if it works. And that's all for this video right now. Please subscribe.